Which sentence is correct?
A. The engine of a Ferrari is more powerful than that of a Ford. B. The engine of a Ferrari is more powerful than a Ford. Option A is grammatically correct. When we compare things, we have to compare the same types of things. The words that of are a shortcut meaning the engine of. So the sentence really means, the engine of a Ferrari is more powerful than the engine of a Ford. Keeps the comparison perfectly fair and balanced. Without the words that of, you are accidentally comparing a small car part, an engine, to an entire giant car, a Ford. An engine cannot be more powerful than a whole car.